Welcome back to Rhennae 101. And listen, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the crew. But today is going to be a fun day. We're starting off my fiance's birthday weekend, and we are up bright and early to go fishing. This is something he really wanted to do. We wanted to actually charter a boat. But because of the wind, they said they canceled all boats going out today. So we're going to go to a pier. Still going to have our fishing and have a good time. Then I think we're going to do like a birthday dinner, like a dinner with just me and him. And we have some other things lined up this weekend. So I wanted to go ahead and pick you guys up to start this weekend vlog. So stay tuned and get ready for this roller coaster. Alright guys, so we have made it over here to Newport News, Virginia. We are at the James River Pier. And look at this, guys. And also, we're here kind of early, so we don't have a lot of people out here, which we love. Because last time we came here, the pier is about a mile long, and the whole pier was filled with people. It was barely anywhere to like get set up. So if you guys look at this, the pier is very minimal people. It's feeling good. It's not too hot. I love fishing on days like this, guys. So what we're doing here is we're kind of setting up back here. We got our chairs set up. Baby is getting everything set up on our hooks and our rigs and all that good stuff that I don't do. So we are just getting ready to enjoy ourselves, have us a little drinky drink while we out here, and trying to see what we can catch. So stay tuned, guys. Some more down there too? Yeah. Good job! Oh my God. Who the caught a stingray? Hi guys, welcome back to Rhennae 101. And listen, today is Friday. It's feeling well here in Virginia. We just came from fishing. I'm not sure if that's going to be on this vlog or the next. But we had a great time. We did catch some things. And we came home and kind of got ready. Got washed up and ready to go. So we're going out to a restaurant here in Virginia. We really don't know where we're going, honestly. But I think we're going to this place called Bubba's. We've been there before. They have this really, really, really good pasta, and I'm really craving it, so hopefully we are going there. But it's his birthday weekend, so it's his choice. But yes, guys, this is the look today. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we decided to come to Bubba's and we just placed our order. So when the food gets here, we'll be right back. Okay, so our food has not gotten here yet, but our drinks have came. And I got a watermelon sangria. It has a cherry in it, an orange, and a lime. Guys, look at this. Very more. It's so good, guys. So when the food gets here, we'll still be right back. Okay guys, so our starter got here with our wings. I'm not gonna lie, I just tried it, but it was really good. But I wanted to try it for you guys on camera as well. So let me get one. They're nice and crispy. It's like almost, it gives me like Korean style. And it's called chicken teriyaki. So it has like a sweet spice teriyaki type of taste. So guys, ooh. So let's go ahead and get that dip going. Y'all, this wing ain't got no business being that good. It's good. Have you guys ever been to like a Korean restaurant, like that has Korean barbecue? And they have those wings that are like really crispy on the outside, but they're not fried like with flour though. That's how these are. And the ranch is delicious too. Alright guys, so we are waiting on our main course. We'll be right back. Okay guys, so my food has finally gotten here as well as his food. So I ended up getting the chipotle creamy pasta. So it has red peppers in it, green peppers, mushrooms, onions, chicken, and shrimp. And guys, this looks so magnificent. So I got a side of the sauce as well, because I like mine extra creamy. So we're gonna do it like that. Alright y'all, let's see. I need a piece of chicken and a piece of shrimp for the first bite. What y'all? I don't want to stop it. So hold on. Wow. Ooh, hot. We got bread too. Y'all, this is fresh out. I almost burnt my mouth. Oh, this is cheese around the rim. I don't know what that was. I thought it was some garnishing. Okay, that's cheese. Yeah. Y'all, this don't make no. This is so good. I'm serious. It got like, it has like a spice that I like, and it's like extra saucy. Like I love extra saucy pasta, and my favorite food is shrimp Alfredo. So this is like a chipotle Alfredo with like Cajun spices with the chicken and the shrimp and the peppers and the mushrooms and the onions. Baby, I'm in heaven. I'm there. I hope it's not a glare, guys, but where we're sitting, there's a light right over top of our head. So, I'm sorry if it is. But, guys, this is so good. So, how's your burger, baby? It looks good. So, guys, everything here has been delicious. And I'm not even just saying that. Yeah, official. So guys, we're gonna finish eating and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we have made it home from Bubba's. It was really good. Honestly, it was some of the best food that I've had in a while. Like really, like the pasta was so good. The wings were magnificent. Everything was really, really delicious. So I definitely recommend, if you guys have a Bubba's in your area, definitely try the Chipotle Cajun pasta, I believe it was called. But it had the mushrooms, the red onions, the green peppers, the red peppers. And it had like a Chipotle type of Alfredo sauce, kind of like a Cajun type style. And shrimp and chicken was in it as well. So it was really, really good. So I don't know if this is going to be the end of this vlog or not. So you may see me in a minute, you may not, but thank you guys for being here and watching. If you're not already part of the fam, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's a vibe over here. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys soon.